status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear for Hassan. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move.
Force up to the house. First deck clear. Negative on Hassan.
Copy that. Second deck clear.
Roger.
Contact! Building 2!
No, we're here.
Building 2. Bravo! Crash site is taking RPGs from Building 2. Second deck. Alpha, taking Building 2 now. Hold fast.
7-1, moving in 2.
Let's go.
انا رايح من ذات.
You're up here.
اخي اقتل كل واحد بيمر من هون. I'm hit. There's one in that hallway.
Ghost, enemy rockets down.
Solid copy. Good work.
The West must pay for a century of hostile acts against us. Together, we will avenge the
Ghost,
death of
building
General
2 secure.
Roger. Time to hit the crash site.
Got a video of Hassan in here.
Hassan's their hero.
They're gonna need a new hero. You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye.
So, we're
Now
moving
we
to
can
the
secure
crash
the crash
site to
site.
well the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us. Raj.
Alpha 02, Bravo 07, building 2 secure. We're coming to you.
Alpha copies all. Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue, blue!
Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun, and I'm low on ammo. Help me move him.
No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line.
Engage! Shooters at the wall!
You called it, LT.
RPG! Fuck! Get your gun up!
Getting close.
Got one! Point flank!
We clear.
For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
They're still moving out there.
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line.
Raj, calling it in.
Dig in, lads. We're not done yet.
07, CAS is 3 minutes out.
Roger that. Air support's inbound.
Hey, we got smoke at the tree line.
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit. Incoming! They're launching grenades! Finish him! Good, Soap?
I'm good.
2-3 got hit. He's gone.
7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house.
Negative. We clear this position and push. If Hassan's still here, he's out ahead.
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming.
There's 4 of them. Conserve your ammo. Let them get close.
Here they come.
Stand by to engage.
Get ready.
Calm down.
All Bravo, Kilo 01 is inbound high. Danger close.
Air support's on station!
Changing secondary. Kilo 01, gun hit! Gun hit!
We clear?
All clear.
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist. Roger that, 7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern. Toss the bird for casualty. Roger.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Alpha, you're with us.
Roger that, Lieutenant.
Let's move out.
Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they?
They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan.
Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think the sun's still here?
Heli crash gave them an opening. Let's see if they took it.
My boys are still on station.
Stand by. We're moving in.
Raj.
Visual on building 3.
That's our target. Hassan could be inside.
Man down!
HQ sniper on the roof. Get down. Do you have a shot?
Sniper down.
More snipers on the roof. Take them out. Who's hit?
7-5 is down!
How the fuck are they seeing us?
AQ's got night vision! We're sitting ducks out here!
Soap, hit the dirt. Snipers all use Soap. Sergeant, you have to move.
Got another.
Good shot. Soap, keep us covered. We're moving up.
AQ's pressing hard. If Hassan's not here, what the hell is?
7-6, I want fire on that building now!
Ghost, we don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forcing our hand. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it.
Call for fire. Target is in the building. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run. Pull stuck to that wall. Move!
Christ for air support.
Yeah, hope the time's still in one piece. Several pieces will do. Easier to find that way. All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down.
Stay there, Sergeant.
Soap, make entry. Let's find Hassan. Dead or alive.
7-1. Moving interior.